Listen, this is one of the biggest reasons forklifts topple over, and it's one of the most dangerous causes of forklift accidents: overloading. Every forklift has a strict load limit right on its nameplate, and if you go over that limit, well, the goods could fall. The forklift might tip, and worst of all, someone could get hurt. Seriously, can you handle that kind of mess? Some drivers say, "Oh, a little overweight won't hurt, right? My boss told me to move it, I can't just say no." But hey, you are the one responsible if something goes wrong. So what do you do with heavy loads? Use special equipment made for it, or call a crane? Don't be a hero thinking you've got this. It'll only end badly. If you're operating a forklift, how can you tell what's too heavy and risky? And if you're a safety manager, how do you stop your team from overloading? That's where the 𝗳𝗃𝗿𝗿𝗍𝗍 alarm steps in. As soon as it senses overload, it sets off an alert to warn the driver and notifies the safety manager right away. When the load is safe, you're good to go. But if you ignore it, the damage could be huge. Follow us to learn more about forklift safety